Welcome Year 4. This is the new book for Term 6 for English. It's called Mouse, Bird, Snake and Wolf by David Almond. What I'd like you to do first of all is, using the front cover, I'd like you to tell me what you can see. So what can you see from the text, from the title? Is there anything in there that stands out? Gives you a clue to maybe what you think this book potentially could be about? And just write those ideas down for me on a piece of paper.